Are you wondering how to use social media for business marketing? Using social media today for your business isn't really an option anymore. It's a requirement. Over the next 2 minutes, let's explore how to harness the power of social media for your company's benefit. The first thing, of course, is to identify your target audience and where they like to hang out online. Different social media platforms cater to different demographics, so understanding who your audience is and where they are is crucial. Number 2, consistency is key, so make sure your brand image remains cohesive across all platforms. From your logo to your color scheme to the tone of your content, a consistent brand identity fosters recognition and trust among your audience. Number 3, plan your content strategically because a well-thought-out content calendar will help you maintain a consistent posting schedule. It will also help ensure you're publishing a variety of engaging content from images and videos to blog posts and interactive polls. Number 4, prioritize the quality of your content over the quantity. Using captivating visuals and telling a compelling story can set your brand apart from all the others. Number 5, remember that social media means social. It's a two-way street, so try to respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Number 6, track your social media performance with analytics. Most social media platforms offer insights into your audience's behavior. So use these metrics to measure the success of your campaigns and make better informed, data-driven decisions. Finally, number 7, consider using paid advertising. Popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn provide powerful ad targeting capabilities. Investing in paid advertising will help you connect with a better quality of audience, as opposed to just publishing content on your wall or timeline. If you've been wondering how to use social media for business marketing, you start with a thoughtful strategy. If you need help putting one together for your business, then give me a call at 800-519-5391. I'm Steve Houston with NetCentricity, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.